people, this is Girlactik on YouTube, Cute and Valen Chibi on Instagram, and my name's One. Today's video is all about Girlactik. Basically, when I find something that's good, I invest in myself to collect almost everything from that brand. So I did. I bought 2 orders online, the rest from Riley Rose, and I went to the Girlactik Open House. I love it so much. What's in a Girlactik Open House? You meet up in person with the founder, meet other fans, play with makeup, take picture. You get a chance to do an Instagram live or filming or whatnot with the brand, and then you have lunch with everybody else. So it's like just a fun get together with brands and friends and new friendships and whatnot. And when you go to one of these open house, depending on the brand, this is my first open house with a brand. I got one freebie from that brand. Anyway, and I got a free tote bag. Okay, let's just get my face ready. I'm gonna show you how I got my face ready for this event. This is not the particular outfit I have on at the event, but I had this headband. First, I did for my eyes. I have a lot of dark pigmentation thanks to Tati. So I picked up Body Mary from Riley Rose. It's a scar gel. So scar gel help with dark pigmentation because it's technically acne scar. Then I got the sample from Sephora from Glam Glow Nude Glow Illuminizing Moisturizer. I love this. I'm gonna buy the full version of this because it smells good and it really does illuminize the face. Okay, next I got the Goop 50 sunscreen on. I believe I didn't pack any primer because it was just a quick and easy day. I got the Tarte eye cream. My usual full-on makeup is concealer, but I have taken a break on concealer. I think the only time I wear concealer is like full-on fancy events, but nowadays I embrace my face and flaws. So yeah, I still got my matte Painterly primer for my eye base. Also, can someone recommend me a great eye base? Because right now, I feel like MAC doesn't last as long. I'm going to start with my favorite. I think I use this more than all my other products from Girlactik. So we're going to use Moonlight. This color first. And use it as a base for the blush. And I learned this trick from Julie, the founder, when she did all of her lives on Instagram. I might do some lives. Just tell me the time. What's the best time for it? I can do my quick, easy, everyday makeup or event makeup or just talk the shit about myself. Yeah. The blush that I use from Girlactik is all gonna be Girlactik item because I went to the Girlactik Open House. Of course, I'm gonna use all their products on my face. Okay, I love their cream blushes because it's so easy to smack on your face and go. Okay. That might be too much. But I guess on camera you can tell, but in person it's too much. And then I'm gonna go back to the pinky one and lay it on top of my highlight area. I don't really like color highlight on my nose, so I like it either pearly color or gold color, but pinky color not really. So put this on my nose, put this on my lips, put this on. I put highlight on my lips because it amplifies the lip shape. So next step, I'm using their Luminous Face Powder Light to set the makeup. So I pat these on where I don't have the product. Then I use the Cobble bronzer as a contour. I still don't know what to contour. I just learn whatever I learn at Sephora classes and wing it, and hopefully I do it right. But half the time I feel like I don't know how to do bronze or contour, so it might look nice in picture, but in real life it's Then if it's too much bronziness, I go back into my light and soften it. I use went down. I use Satini, the pink one, all over my lid. Then pat. I use Satine, is a champagne-y taupey color. I did this first, lay it down first or go around. Then I use Jewel in the inner corner. And on the eyebrow. Next, I use a liner. I don't really own a lot of mascara, and since I did a house visit, so Gully, this is for you because I don't really wear mascara, and this smells like chocolate. Hope you can tell the difference. I feel like I look a little girly putting that mascara on, but I don't know. Maybe that's just my mood, or I'm just glowing pink right now. Okay, next is this liquid lipstick in Sweet. Oh, I did a little boo-boo here. So I'm gonna use their eraser stick. Smudge it on here. Also smudge it on around my lips, so it won't bleed. Then on this, real quick. And the smudge is gone. Lips with, I'm not putting the one on my lips because it would contaminate. And that's my makeup look for the Girlactik Open House.